Now, after downloading and installing Microsoft Visual Studio and Arduino IDE software, let's install the Arduino IDE for Visual Studio plugin. It's a free plugin available on the Visual Studio Marketplace. So let's go to google.com. Now, here you need to write Visual Studio, then Marketplace, Arduino IDE for Visual Studio. I'll provide a link to access this directly, but you can use Google search engine to find it. Visual Studio Marketplace, Arduino IDE for Visual Studio. Now click on it. You will get redirected to this page. As you can see, a fully compatible Arduino edit, build, deploy, and debug tool. All Arduino IDE versions are supported, and as you can see, it has support for ESP, STM, AVR, and a lot of other microcontrollers. Now click on the download. As you can see here, I have a window that asks me to choose where I want to save this file. Let's save it in the downloads section. Here it is, download. It's a very small file, 3.37, but you need to have Microsoft Visual Studio installed on your computer to be able to use this file. Now double click, it's called Visual Micro. Double click on it. Now, as you can see, it will load the file, initialization. This is the installer. Now, it did recognize that I have Visual Studio Community 2017 and it has this box ticked. Now, all I need to do is click on install. It will wait, then it will start installing the Arduino IDE for Visual Studio. It will take some time to download the required files. Depending on your internet speed, this might take some time. As you can see, it's moving. Now it's modifying Microsoft Visual Studio Community 2017 so that it will show us this Arduino IDE icon. Now it's done. As you can see, Arduino IDE for Visual Studio has been successfully installed. Please close and restart all target application instance for change to take effect. Now, if you have Visual Studio Community 2017 running, you have to close it and reopen it. Now, if you see this green dot, you are now ready to use the Arduino IDE inside Visual Studio for debugging. Now click close. In the next lesson, we are going to start using the Visual Micro for debugging, but that's it for this lesson. Thanks for watching. This is Ashraf from Educational Engineering Team.